How to fix error system service exception Windows 10. Here's how to fix error system service exception Windows 10. Method 1, Step 1, go to automatic repair options when your PC is restarted. Step 2, click on troubleshoot. Step 3, click on advanced options. Step 4, click on command prompt. Step 5, type your login details correctly. Step 6, type the below command and press enter. chkdskd/f/r/x. Step 7, wait when the command is completed. Step 8, click continue. Method 2, if the problem persists. Step 1, click on troubleshoot advanced options. Step 2, click on the system restore. Step 3, enter your login details again. Step 4, you will see the system restore wizard. Step 5, click next, next, and next using the default options unless you got Windows installed on some non-C disk. Step 6, confirm the restore option and click on finish. Step 7, click yes. Step 8, sit tight. Plan C, Step 1, open recovery options. Step 2, click and open troubleshoot advanced options command prompt login just like the previous steps. Step 3, run the following command as on normal mode, sfc/scanno. Step 4, exit when your request is done. Step 5, click on continue. Step 6, open Windows PowerShell as admin when you re-enter the normal mode. Step 7, click yes. Step 8, run the following command as admin, sfc/scanno. Step 9, open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Step 10, click on restart now and check for problems.